In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the board background color in Miro. Miro is a versatile online collaborative tool perfect for teams to brainstorm, plan, and collaborate visually. Customizing your board with a unique background color can make your workspace distinct and more organized, helping you differentiate between various projects or simply creating a more personalized environment for your ideas to blossom. Let's dive right in and explore how to update that background to something that suits your style and needs. First off, once you're logged into your Miro account and have your board open, you need to locate the main menu. This menu is like your control center in Miro. You'll find it generally positioned in the top left corner of your screen. It might be symbolized by 3 lines or an icon resembling a menu. Give that a quick click to open it up. With the main menu open, your next step is to select the Board option. Depending on your version of Miro, the interface might have small variations, but generally, you'll see this labeled clearly in the list. This option leads you directly to the settings that govern the appearance and properties of your current board. By clicking on it, you'll open up options specific to customizing what you see on your workspace. Now that you're in the right section, it's time to look for the background color setting. Once clicked, this will activate the color palette or options available to you. Miro usually offers a broad spectrum here, allowing you to pick a shade that matches your theme or simply a color you find visually appealing. This interface is typically user-friendly, featuring various colors visible at a glance for easy selection. Finally, with all your options laid out before you, choose the color that fits your mood or theme. Clicking on your color of choice will instantly change your board's background to this newly selected color. It's a simple yet impactful way to personalize your workspace and enhance your visual experience in Miro. Take a moment to consider how different colors can influence the tone of your collaboration and select one that aligns well with your project's goals or your team's preferences. And there you have it. Your board in Miro now sports a fresh background color, perfectly tailored to your needs. Using color strategically, you can make your workspace both visually appealing and functionally organized. Remember, you can change the color anytime if your project evolves or if you simply wish to switch things up. Thank you for tuning in, and happy collaborating on Miro.